What I would tell my colleagues back in Indiana, especially those on the insurance committee in the Indiana Senate, that this would be a great tool for them, providing them with a foundational level of information about insurance in the broader scope. Insurance covers so many areas, so many disciplines brought into the insurance issue, and I think this would provide a great foundational basis for all the members of the insurance committee back in Indiana. It is all new information. The section on the business of insurance I found very helpful. Will be information that I'll be referencing from time to time as I work through the Indiana Senate. The other thing that's been very important to me is networking, meeting legislators from other parts all over the country to talk about just the legislative process, what they've been successful in doing with regard to insurance legislation, and things that we've done in Indiana that we can share with them.
It's just so important that other members of our legislature could come to a seminar like this and come back with very important information. The panel was outstanding.
I see potential that's being wasted.
They just did a great job. They took, again, a very complicated issue and made it very simple. But I would really, really strongly recommend not only the committee chairs of insurance for this type of a seminar, but the committee members need to be here.
This is my third term on the insurance committee, and quite frankly, I wish I had heard about this seminar 2 terms ago. The 101 for insurance, it's a great opportunity for a legislator like myself who's tasked with being on the insurance committee, yet I don't have an insurance background. It's a wonderful opportunity to come and learn about, well, basically the 101. Things that I think so too often it's taken for granted that we're all experts in the fields or on the committees to which we're assigned.
The program that you put together was terrific. I can't say really enough about it. I think the most useful part of the weekend to me was having the program, so I was interested in staying for each and every one of your sessions. Our session that we had on Sunday evening about fraud insurance and establishing that in our legislature, in my terms there, we have had that come before us every year. I have been opposed to it. And after our meeting on Sunday evening, I am now in favor of. So we'll see how that goes.
When I go back to Arkansas, I would certainly highly recommend that all of the committee members, the members of the Insurance and Commerce Committee, and also maybe Revenue and Tax would attend the seminar. You know, as legislators, you hear bits and pieces, you hear sound bites and snippets of this, but actually finding out, getting past the rhetoric level, actually getting down to the fact and the information level, trying to find out and discern what the truth is. And that's what I think they presented in such an unbiased position. They just put the facts out there. They didn't try to sway us. So I just was highly encourage all of my committee members to attend this conference.
One of the things I like about attending things like this is that it gives me an opportunity to talk with my colleagues in other states and to find out what's going on. You know, what are they doing? What did they do this year? What are they doing with regard to health care, et cetera? So it's I think it's a great opportunity for all legislators, particularly in legislators on insurance committees.